The National Weather Service in Atlanta has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for your local area until 5:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:28 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Atlanta. Hail and winds are being very severely bad. Doppler radar indicates flooding in Atlanta. Move indoors now. If you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move away from windows and turn on your 30 NOAA weather radios that you don't need, and stay tuned to your local weather station. Oh my God. Oh my sweet freaking wonderful God. Your town is on fire. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Evacuate now. Go to the nearest evacuation center and stay there until the fire is put out. If you don't, then not only are you the biggest dumbass in the world, but you will die. Don't be as dumb as me. I don't even know proper grammar for frick's sake. See what I mean? Run or have your buns burnt. Go now.
This is NOAA Weather Radio serving your current area, station KRN 35 streaming on a high frequency, from the National Weather Service Doppler radar in Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Philly has issued a public information for your area until 2:07 a.m. Tornado detected. Hide now. Move to your basement. Avoid windows. Please don't be a freaking moron and hide in a mobile home or your crappy Tesla. Get your fat behind indoors right this freaking instant. Remain indoors until told otherwise, or I'm calling Boris Anderson to ground you for 586-677-899999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999 trillion eternities. Go to bed now.